Festival season is all about radiance, grace, and tradition. So today I'm creating a very basic natural makeup look that you can see that fits perfect for any kind of festival. And I am going to, make this tutorial with this beautiful white Bengali cotton sari which has a red or you can say a coral shade border. If you're looking for something which is very simple and festival kind of a makeup, then this video is for you. I have shared very basic and very minimum effort that you can put to do a very natural, bright, radiant looking makeup in this tutorial, which takes about 10 to 12 minutes or maximum 15 minutes, that help you to do very quick makeup if you are looking for something which is very easy and fast enough to do a natural makeup look. So let's begin. So let us begin our makeup with moisturizer. I have a clean face and I have added toner. So here I'm using moisturizer. Currently the go-to moisturizer is Lotus. So I want something which very dewy and natural finish. So I'm going to go with little heavy moisturizer here. So let me massage this into my skin. Do circular motion. So now I have done my moisturizer. Let's go with the foundation. So today I'm using Lakme Mousse. If you use this, you don't need concealer, compact, just the foundation is enough and it gives a very velvety finish, very lightweight, but it is only good for 2 hours, very medium coverage, and it is not long lasting. So if you are going for any Garba night or any puja for about 1 or 2 hours, I think you can definitely go with this. You see, this is in the shade 2, which is called Rose Fair. If you want the product, you can layer it up, but always start with very mild application. Ideally, if you use any mousse, you do not have to use a compact or a concealer. This itself is enough. However, I always love to set the foundation when it is cream based or a liquid based. So it's important that you set by using a fluffy brush just to make sure it's evenly spread out and blended in every corner so that it doesn't look any patchy, undone finish. And to top it up, I'm using Maybelline Compact. This is in the shade 220 from Fit Me Shades. This is optional. If you feel this looks a little heavy, you can definitely skip it. But always remember, when you use any cream product, it will melt off very soon. So it's important that you set it up with a compact so that it gives you about 2 hours of coverage. Now that is done, let's go with the blush here. I'm using more of a peach tone, not in pink, because I'm wearing white and red combination today. You can wear this look for Navratri, Diwali, all of that. And the same brush, just pinching it and using a brown contour, contouring my jawline. And this time I'm only contouring my nose and forehead. I'm not using my cheeks. Just thought I leave it at it and get a fuller look. I don't want the chiseled look. Let me go and do my eyebrow, which is very, very important step in our makeup. Comb it, fill it, just fill the gaps and comb it back. So comb it, fill it and comb it back. Now here we are doing a very, very simple eye makeup look, a very neutral color. The color is this. It has a gold, but it has a kind of a copper in it, and it's a sheen, not a shimmery. Why eyeshadow is very important in makeup, step in your makeup. This adds a definition to your eyes, make your eyes pop, gets you that, see, whenever people meet you, they of course see or have an eye contact. That's the first thing that they do. And when your eyes are more defined and has a color, more depth, that gives you the magnetic, very attractive approach. I'm using a small brush and taking a burgundy and brown shade. So this is purple or burgundy and brown shade, a mix of these two. This is a matte finish eyeshadow now, and I'm just going to go only in the corner and blend it with the fingers. Just to add a little bit of color, I'm using the shade, just blending it again with my fingers. Now let's take the same fluffy brush and I'm going to blend the crease and the outer area of the eyes so that there is a smooth transition and nothing looks too much. Do you see this looks still uneven, but this is little blended. Let's do the same thing here. And let me go with the liner. Now here we will go with the liner as well as kajal both. I'm using the liner exactly below the lower lash. We're not going to leave the lower lashes as it is. So for the waterline, I'm going to fill the kajal. When you do it, do not blink it. Blink your eyes. You need take some moment, gaps, and then do it. Let's finish it off with, let's say, mascara and lashes. For the kajal, I'm using Nykaa, going very strongly to and fro. And going with mascara. Now it's your choice. If you want, you can leave the mascara, coat it 2 times and just leave it at it. But if you want to add lashes, you can definitely go with the lashes. So same here, if you've been seeing my videos, this is a Euro Paris lash and I have cut 2 parts in it because I don't want to wear entire lashes. I want to wear only the edge of it to get the wing. So I've just applied a glue, you can see the white band, and leave it for a couple of minutes so that it becomes a little tacky. And this is a size 54 if you want to order it online. This gives a very natural finish. Okay, till it dries, let me set it up with bindi and lipstick. Add the lashes and then let me add the lipstick. Otherwise, if I touch my lips and touch the other places, then the lipstick may get messed up everywhere. Stick the lashes as close as possible to your original lashes and always make sure the lengthier one are on the outer corner. Once the glue is dry, it becomes transparent. That's it. And let's do the lipstick. Now you know the entire look is very mild. I'm going to show 2 choices. This is from Maybelline Teddy Tint. If you want to keep the lipstick very mild and very neutral, you can definitely choose something which is very peach tone. And for peach, I think the Teddy Tint is very nice. This is in the shade Skinny Dip. That looks exactly like your skin finish. But I would like to take it up a little higher because the entire, the makeup look is very subtle. So I want something to be highlighted, so let's go with the red shade. Because it's a darker shade, I am going to use this red tone. This is from K Beauty. The shade name is called Seductive. So that's the color I really wanted, which is red, so that it goes along with my sari, and also it little bit adds the color than keeping it very mild or dull. But again, it's your choice. You want to keep it bare minimum. You can also bold, but make sure you bold only one thing. Because I've not added too much of color to my eyes, I chose to go with red lipstick. So I hope you love this makeup look that I have just created, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel to get more makeup looks and makeup tutorials which are very easy to do. And if you like this video, go ahead and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to share this video to all the makeup lovers that you know. See you soon with another tutorial. Till then, keep learning and keep glowing. Bye bye.